Case number 67, question number 2. Formulate the following problem as a pair of equation and hence find their solution. So we are having three parts in the question. We are going to start with the first one. So first one we are having is the Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of the rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So first of all, we are going to let speed of boat in still water. We are going to let this one as x kilometer per hour. Then the speed of the stream, this one we are having as equal to y kilometer per hour. Now speed in downstream, so the speed in the downstream will be the speed of the boat and the speed of the stream, and speed in upstream will be boat speed minus still water, that is the speed of the boat in the still water minus the speed of the stream. So this one we are having the speed in upstream. Now as per the statement we are having Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. So this one we are having is the, first of all we know that distance is equal to the speed multiplied by time. So first, as per the first statement, Ritu covered 20 km in 2 hours. So distance we are having is the 20 km, speed we are having is the, it's in the downstream, so x plus y multiplied by the time we are having is the 2 hours. So the statement or the equation we are having is the 20 is equal to the 2x plus 2y. This one we are having is the equation number 1. Now comes to the next statement. This one we are having and the upstream 4 km in 2 hours. So we are going to write here 4 km and the speed we are having, this is the upstream, so x minus y, and it covers in the 2 hours. So this one we are having is 4 is equal to the 2x minus 2y here. This one we are having here. So I am going to write this one we are having is the equation number 2. I am going to solve this one by the elimination method. So I am going to write here by elimination method. So the equation number 1 we are having is the 2x plus 2y as equal to the 20, and second equation we are having is the 2x minus 2y as equal to the 4. I am going to write here subtracting equation 4 from 3. So equation number 3 we are having is the 2x plus 2y as equal to the 20, and equation number 3 we are having is the 2x minus 2y as equal to the 4. Now I am going to change the signs we are having. Plus minus cancel. This one we are having is the 4y as equal to the plus minus minus. This one we are having as equal to the 16. So 4y is equal to the 16 we are having. Y is equal to the 16 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. So the value of y we are having as equal to the 4. Now we have to find the value of x here. So we are going to put the value of y in the any of the original equation we are having, that is the equation number 1 or the equation number 2. So I am going to put the value. Now we are going to put the value of y in the equation number 2. This one we are having here. So I am going to write here putting the value of y in equation 2, and the equation number 2 we are having is the 2x minus 2y as equal to the 4. So 2x minus 2 multiplied by y we are having is the 4. 2x minus 4 2 is 8. We are going to transpose 8 from right hand side to the left hand left hand side to the right hand side. Now 8 plus 4 we are having as equal to the 12. Now x is equal to the 12 divided by 2. We have to transfer this 2 from left hand side to the right hand side. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So the value of x we are having as equal to the 6 here. So this one we are having the speed of the boat in the still water we are having as equal to the 6 km per hour, and the speed of the stream we are having as equal to the 4 km per hour. I am going to write the statement here. Hence, the speed of the boat and steam are, boat we are having is the 6 km per hour and steam we are having is the 4 km per hour. This one we are having is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. 2 women and the 5 men came together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and the 6 men can finish it in the 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. So we have to find the time taken by the 1 man and the 1 woman. So first of all we are going to let the number of days taken by women, that is the women to, let the number of days taken by women to finish the work. We are going to let this one as equal to the x. Then the number of days taken by men to finish the work, we are going to let this one as equal to the 1. Now as per the statement we are having, first of all 2 women and the 5 men came together finish an embroidery work. So first of all we are going to let the work done by women in 1 day. This one will be the 1 by x. Then the work done by men in 1 day. This will be equal to the 1 by y. So now as per the statement we are having in the first statement, 2 women and the 5 men together finish the embroidery work in the 4 days. So we are going to write here first of all, we are having 2 women. So this is the 2 divided by x, and we are having is the 5 men. So this one is the 5 divided by y we are having. Now this work is finished in 4 days. This is the 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This is the 1 by 4 we are having there. The work is finished in the 4 days. So this one we are having is the equation number 1. Now comes to the second one. The second statement we are having, while 2 women, that is the 2 divided by x, and 6 men, that is the 6 divided by y, we have to find the work done in the 1 day. Now we are having 3 women and the 6 men, and the time is taken is the 3 days, that is the 1 by 3. This one we are having is the equation number 2 here. Now I am going to solve this one. I am going to let here 1 by x as equal to the u and 1 by y as equal to the v here. So the equations we are having is the 2u plus 5v as equal to the 1 by 4, and the second one we are having is the 3u plus 6v as equal to the 1 by 3 here. This one we are having is equation number 3, and this one we are having equation number 4. Now I am going to transpose this 4 here. So we are having is the 8u plus 5 4s are 20 v as equal to the 1. This one we are having is the equation number 5. Now comes to the here, we have to transpose this 3 here. We have 3 3s are 9, u plus 6 3s are 18 v as equal to the 1. And this one we are having is the equation number 6 here. Now I am going to solve this one by the cross multiplication method. I am going to write here by cross multiplication method. For that one, first of all, we are going to transpose this 1 from right hand side to the left hand side. So this one we are having as equal to the 0 here. This one we are having here. Now, first of all, we are going to take u, v and the constant term. So u we are having, first of all we are taking u, so we are not going to consider the coefficient of the u, we are going to take the coefficient of the v and the constant term we are having. Now comes to the v, so we are not going to consider the coefficient of the v, first of all we are going to take the constant term, then the coefficient of the u. Now comes to the constant term, we are not going to consider the constant term, we are going to take the coefficient of u and v. First of all we are taking the coefficient of the u and then of the v. Now we are going to cross multiply all of them. So here we are having u upon 20 multiplied by minus 1, this one we are having as equal to the minus 20 and minus 18. Now we are having v minus 9 minus 8. Now here we are having is the 8 8s are 64, carry 6, 8 1s are 8, 8 and 6 we are having as equal to the 14. So 144 minus 9 2s are 18, that we are having as equal to the 180. So u we are having as equal to the minus 20 minus and minus plus 18. Here we are having the minus 9 minus and minus plus 8. And here we are having 144 minus 180. Now to solve this one, u upon we are having as equal to the minus 2. Here we are having v upon minus 1. Here we are having 1 upon 144 minus 180. So we are going to subtract this one. We are going to take the carry here. We have 10. 10 minus 4 we are having 6. Here we are having 7. 7 minus 4 we are having as equal to the 3. So this one we are having is the minus 36. Now we have to find the value of u and v here. So first of all we are going to write the v as equal to the constant term and u as equal to the constant term. So we are having u by minus 2 is equal to the minus 36. So the value of u we are having minus 2 divided by minus 36. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Minus is cancelled from minus. So the value of u we are having as equal to the 1 by 18. Now we have to find the value of v. So right here, value of v we are having v is equal to the minus 1 and here we are having minus 36 and cross multiply. So we are having v is equal to minus 1 by minus 36. Minus is cancelled from minus. So value of v we are having 1 upon 36. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So here we are having 1 by x as equal to the u. So I'm going to write here 1 by x we are having as equal to the u and this one we are having as equal to the 1 by 18. So the value we are going to cross multiply. So we are having the value of x as equal to the 18 and here we are having 1 by y as equal to the v. So here we are having 1 by y as equal to the 1 upon 36. So the value of y we are having as equal to the 36. So value of x we are having is the 18 and the value of y we are having as equal to the 36. So the number of days taken by the women to finish the work we are having as equal to the 18 hours and the number of days taken by men to finish the work we are having as equal to the 36 days. So this one we are having is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. This one we are having Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train, remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So we have to find the speed of the train and the bus. So first of all, we will write here speed. Let speed of the train. We will let this one as equal to the x km per hour and speed of the bus. This one we are going to let as equal to the y km per hour. Now, as per the statement we are having here, Ruhi travels 300 km total and she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train. So first of all, we are going to find the time. So we know that time we are having as equal to the distance upon speed. So Distance we are having is the 60 kilometer and the speed of the train we are having is the x. Now the remaining by the bus. Total we are having 300 kilometers. She travels 60 kilometer by train. Then remaining we are having as equal to the 240. So same distance upon speed we are having. This one, the 240 kilometer is covered by the bus. So the speed we are having is the y kilometer. Now the total, this one we are having, the time taken is the 4 hours. Now comes to the, this one we are having the first equation. Now comes to the second one. The second one we are having, she travels 100 km by the train. So this one is the distance upon speed we are having and the remaining. So 30, we total we are having 300 km, 100 is travelled by the train. So remaining we are having 200 by the bus. And this time the time taken is the 10 minutes longer. That means the time we are having is the 4 hour 10 minutes. So I'm going to write here 4 hour and 10 minutes. So 10 out of 60. So this one we are having is the zeros cancel from 0. Here we are having is the 4 plus 1 by 6. So we are going to solve this one. This one we are having is the 6 4s are 24 and 1 5. So this one we are having as equal to the 25 by 6. So I'm going to write here the time we are having is the 25 by 6. So this one we are having is the equation number 2 here as per the statement. Now first of all, we are going to solve this one. For that one, we are going to let 1 by x as equal to the u and 1 by y as equal to the v. So the first statement we are having is the 60u plus 240v as equal to the 4. This one we are having is the equation number 3. Now to solve this one. This one we are having is the 100u plus 200v as equal to the 25 by 6. Now we are going to transfer this 6 here. So we are having is the 600u plus 6 2s are 12. 100v as equal to the 25 and this one we are having is the equation number 4 here. Now we are going to solve this one by the elimination method. So I'm going to write here by elimination method. Now here we are having is the 600u and here we are having is the 60. You have to make this one 600. For that one I am going to multiply this one by the whole equation by the 10. So this one we are having is the 600u plus 2400v as equal to the 40. This one we are having is equation number 5 and this one we are having as it is 600u plus 1200v is equal to the 25. This one we are having is equation number 4. Now we are going to subtract. We will write here subtracting equation 4 from equation 5. So equation number 5 we are having 600u plus 2400v as equal to the 40 and this one we are having 600u plus 1200v as equal to the 25. This one we are having is the 25. Now to change the signs we are having here. So plus minus cancel. This one we are having plus minus minus. So this one we will have as equal to the 1200v and this one we are having plus minus minus. So this one we are having is the 15. So the value of v we are having 15 divided by 1200. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, remainder 2, 5 4s are 20 and 0. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24 and 0. So the value of v we are having as equal to the 1 by 80. Now we have to find the value of v. For that one I am going to put this one in the equation number 3. So I am going to write here putting the value of v in equation 3 and the equation number 3 we are having is the 60u plus 240v as equal to the 4. Now here we are having the 60u plus 240 multiplied v we are having is 1 upon 80 as equal to the 4. 0 is cancelled from 0. 8 1s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So we are having 60u plus 3 as equal to the 4. Now we have to transpose this 3. So here we are having u as equal to 60u as equal to plus minus minus. We are having 1. U we are having as equal to the 1 by 60. B we are having 1 by 80. U we are having 1 by 60. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So here we are having 1 by x as equal to the u. So 1 by x is equal to the 1 by 60. So the value of x we are having as equal to the 60. Now comes to the 1 by y we are having as equal to the v. So 1 by y we are having as equal to the 1 by 80. So the value of y we are having as equal to the 80. So the value of x we are having is the 60 and y we are having is the 80. So the speed of the train we are having as equal to the 60 km per hour and the value of bus we are having as equal to the 80 km per hour. We write the statement here. Hence, the speed of the train and bus are 60 km per hour and 80 km per hour. This one we are having is the part 3. With this one, we have completed the question number 2 and the exercise 3.6. In the next video, we are going to start with the exercise 3.7.